What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? I got something real special for you. This is a game changer, never seen before in America for the Can-Am Ryker. So watch what I got for you. So my friends over in Italy, Leo Vince, has sent me the first exhaust for the Can-Am Ryker. This is the bad boy right here. Check it out. So we're gonna be unboxing and installing this. Asbestos free, mineral oil free, PVC free components, heavy metal free, and in a recyclable package. Shout out to my peoples over in Italy, Leo Vince. We're gonna install this on the Can-Am Ryker. First Italian exhaust on the Can-Am Ryker. Let's see what comes in the box. Whew, man, this feels amazing. Carbon. I don't even know what that is yet. I have to check that out. It says Leo Vince. It's a two-piece. Let me show you how the inside looks like. And we have the second part in here. Here's the other piece we'll be installing. Now, I'm not going to go in a whole show you how to take an exhaust, or I'm not going to show you a whole thing about how to remove an exhaust. You already seen that thousands of times. I'm just going to put the new one on, let you check out the sound real quick, real easy video. This is a two-piece exhaust, so I'm going to show you how to put it together, and then that's it. We're going to install it now. Alright, so this is what you get in the box: instructions, owner's manual, I believe that's a warranty card. You get the bolts and the springs, some spacers, and another set of clamps. And that's what you're going to need to install this exhaust. Of course, you're going to have to unbolt your old one as soon as it cools down, and then I'll be putting on the new one. First part of the exhaust, this is going to connect to the manifold. This is the part you're going to slip on. So if you're going to slip on the other end, it's heavy, but it comes with the spring. So once I slip it in, I'm going to line up the springs. So we got to slip this in there. Excuse me. I think we got it. And then I'm gonna line up the springs, and they gave you springs to connect this so it doesn't slip out. So that's what it's looking like so far, baby. Alright, so that's a cold start at about 1500 RPMs, I believe. It's coming down now, starting to warm up. So that's what it sounds like now. Alright, so my conclusion to this exhaust is it's a lot louder and more aggressive than stock, but it will definitely be under the decibel limits in your state.
It has a very aggressive growl. It's gonna sound nice. Puts a little bit more power back into the bike. So we're gonna do a little bit more night riding, and then I'm gonna let y'all hear it. So as soon as it's gonna rain. So tonight I'm gonna go out and ride, and you tell me. But this is it. The Leo Vince Can Am Ryker Italian racing exhaust. Put in the comments below what you think. Ride safe, everybody. Ride safe.